Hi guys, this is Rocco Nacino, one of the actors of Beautiful Strangers and one of the hosts for Starstruck. At gusto niyo ba malaman ang aking near-death experience habang nagda-drive? Watch this. Hey guys, gusto ko lang ikwento sa inyo ang aking experience na muntik ako maaksidente sa NLEX. It was when I came from taping and I had to drive sa NLEX and puyat ako, walang tulog, walang pahinga. At pabalik ako ng Manila noon. At suddenly, nagising na lang ako, nakatingin sa baba. Paglingkod ko sa speedometer, 120 ang takbo ko at papunta na ako sa gitna. At nung nakita ko pahampas na ako, swerve to the right, buti na lang walang sasakyan. At nung time na yun, na-realize ko, nako, I have to be awake. So tumigil ako sa gas station at uminom ng kape. And I made sure na after that experience, tuwing nagdadrive ako, kailangan may tamang pahinga, kumpletong pahinga. So just like that, I just want to share to you guys na ako nawalan ng concentration habang nagdadrive dahil walang tulog, walang pahinga. It's the same. Mawawalan ka ng concentration kapag gamit mo ang telepono mo habang nagdadrive. So guys, focus sa kalye, hindi sa cellphone. If you love your loved ones, you want to help others, and you want to do your part, you can do so by sharing this video and not forgetting to subscribe to Blade TV.